All right, so I wanted to show you a couple of tricks with the macro buttons that are on the back of the Asus ROG Ally. So it's these buttons on the back here, these ones right here. And it doesn't matter if you press the left or the right, they're gonna do the same thing. So while you're pressing one of the buttons on the back, use the D-pad. So if you press the macro button and up, no matter what screen you're on, it'll show the keyboard. And to get rid of it, you can just hold that macro button and press up again, and it'll get rid of the keyboard. If you press the macro and to the right, you get your, whoops, you get your task viewer, so you can easily jump between different windows that you would want to go to really easily. Macro and down brings up your task manager, shows you all the things that you have open on your ROG Ally. Do it again and it will go away. This is gonna be my favorite one. It's the macro and to the left. So no matter what screen you're on, it will show your desktop for you. So that's very, very handy. So if I had, my browser open up Edge right here, and I press this and I go home, it's always gonna go home. So very, very handy for me to get that. Loving that, to be able to, again, go home from any screen that I'm on here. Macro and A will take a screenshot. So maybe you're, in a game or something, I can come in here, macro and A, and take that screenshot. Macro and B will show your notifications on Windows. Macro and X gives you projection mode. So if you want to project your screen to another PC screen, or duplicate it or extend it, or do a second screen, you can easily do that. Again, with macro and X. And the last one, macro and Y, will do a screen recording. So if you want to screen record your stuff, it will go in there. I don't have it set up on here, I guess, but it will set up your screen recording if you want to record your screen. I think the three most helpful ones are the going home from any screen, which is super helpful. I'm always in something, and to go home is gonna be much better to go to this home screen. The next one would be to show the task viewer. So that is this, and to the right, it's gonna allow me to go to another screen really quickly without having to look for it. Show the keyboard. Sometimes your keyboard won't pop up if you hit that macro and up, it'll bring up your keyboard so you're able to type. And then the last one's probably screenshot. You're in a game, you did something cool, you want to screenshot it, there you go. Very easy to do that. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more ROG Ally content. We'll see you guys down the road. Peace.